Well, hey everybody, Martika here with Martika J Makes, and welcome to my channel. You guys, I am here with a pattern review today on one of my July makes that I told you I would be making, and it is on Simplicity 9148. You guys, yes, I am wearing this right now, and I absolutely love this pattern. I will be making it again, okay? So let's get into the details of it. You guys, first of all, it is a easy to sew pattern. So if you are a beginner, yes, this is for you. And I purchased a size 6 to 14 in it. And I ended up cutting out a size 14 due to the bust measurements. Now, my measurements are 40 and a half, but a 14 is 41 and a half, and then a 12 is a 39 and a half. So not being sure on how the fit would be. I knew it would be a little loose, but I just wanted to make sure that I had room to adjust if need be. So if in doubt, go a little bigger, because at least you can, make the whatever corrections that you need to make. If you go too small, you usually don't have any room for corrections. So I made this out of this knit fabric that I've had for a while. I believe I got it at Walmart, and it was about 4 or 6 yards of fabric, and it was probably like $6 or $8 at the most. And it is a 2-way stretch knit. Okay, but the difference about this pattern, you guys, it calls for, you can use almost any type of fabric on it, especially if it's a lightweight. It calls for challis, cotton lawn, cotton types, crepe, gauze, silky types, voile, jersey knit, bamboo knit, ITY. I could even see this like in a really lightweight denim that's kind of flowy. You guys, it is just one of those patterns that's just perfect. And I also see this traveling, especially if you can get that fabric. I forgot what it's called, but it's fabric that do not wrinkle. It would be perfect, okay? Because you can dress this up. You can dress it down. As you can see over here in the photo, I have on some cute little gold flip-flops with it. You could put some little tennis shoes on with it, or you can, take it out for a night out and put some heels with it, put your really cute belt with it if you choose to, but definitely put the right accessories. You can go with a short necklace, a long necklace, hoops, or something dangly, or even just some studs. You guys, this is one of those patterns, okay? I can definitely, because of the fabric is being so lightweight, definitely wear it in the summer, in the spring, but even in cooler weather, you can easily pair this with like a cardigan or a blazer and just make it really cute, okay? Now, I'm gonna tell you, there is like just a shorter version. It's just to where you shorten the skirt, but I can even see doing this and making the skirt even shorter, doing almost like above the knee, a mini version of this. So something that would be very, very easy to do with this pattern. Now, I will tell you that one thing that I had to do with this skirt, because like I mentioned before in my other video, she's a lot taller than I am. I'm only 5'2". You guys, for this pattern to fit me really good and not drag the floor, I had to take off 7 inches off of this skirt. Okay, so before I cut it, I did my measurement with my measuring tape, and I used the lengthen and shorten lines on the actual pattern itself, and I took off 4 inches because by doing it with the measuring tape, I thought that that would be enough. But when I finished the skirt and put it on for sizing to make sure that the elastic, was fitting the way that it was supposed to, you guys, it was dragging the floor. So I ended up having to take off an additional 3 inches off of the bottom. But the plus side about that is that that did not interrupt the actual flowy look of the skirt itself, as you can see. So I was really glad about that. Now, the other thing that I am going to do with this pattern is the top, okay? Under the arm came out to be a little lower, I'll say a lot lower than what I wanted it to. So what I did, I just put on a tank top underneath it so that, my bra wouldn't be showing, or too much would not be showing under there. So what I'm going to do Next time I make it, I'm going to go ahead and cut this area under the arm. I'm going to take that up and cut that into like a size 12. I'm going to measure to make sure, but it may get cut, you know, I may cut that up to a 10 or a 12 just to make sure that I have this covered. Another thing I learned how to do for the very first time is I learned how to make a thread loop. You guys, it wasn't as hard as I thought it was. I did have to come here to YouTube, find a video. I did find a short one and it worked out perfectly. So I made a thread loop. I found a button. I just ended up with the little black button. I thought that it matched the best. And so I just put that button on there and it worked out great. The top is very loose fitting. The skirt is loose fitting. It's just so flowy and I love this pattern. Let me just put it like that. And would I suggest it for you guys to make it and definitely go get this pattern, especially next time Simplicity goes on sale? Absolutely. It is, again, Simplicity 9148. You guys go and get it. You will love this pattern if you don't already have it. Does it look like what's on the front of the pattern itself? You guys be the judge of that. Okay? Tell me. Does it look like this right here? Does that photo look like that? Because I think it does, okay? So, you guys, the other thing, it has pockets. I love pockets. It has pockets. So, and these are some pretty, you know, they're like your normal size pockets, but because this is a knit fabric, it's a little stretchy. So I can put my keys down in there, you know, put my phone in my pocket and just be comfortable with it because nothing sticks out of it. So, yeah. I can't say anything bad about this pattern, you guys. I absolutely love it. So, yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I hope you give it a try. Let me know in the comments if you have tried to make this or made it, or if you plan to make it for yourself, and let me know what you think. So I will be coming back to you with another review of my other make that I told you I was going to make in July. But in the meantime, I hope that you have enjoyed this one. So if you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so. Be sure to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a video. And by all means, everybody, give this video a thumbs up, and I so gladly appreciate you. So I will see you all in the next video. And you guys, in the meantime, take care. Have a great one. Bye-bye.